Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video we are going to work with HTML tables and give some explanation for HTML page titles. First we create a HTML file and create the template of the HTML structure. As you know, one of the most important uh, items in the SEO is the page title. Page title specifies the name of the page in the search engines, in the browser toolbars, and in the favorite bar of the browsers. So, because of this, you must choose the title of your page very clearly. Title in the HTML page uh, specifies with title tag that goes inside the head tag. It's like the head tag have opening and closing tag. So it's important to choose correct title in the HTML page because of the SEO scores. The next uh, tag we are going to talk about is the table. For creating table in the HTML file, we must use the table tag. Table tag is a container tag and have several tags inside it, like thead. Thead is used for defining the header of the table. Inside of the thead tag, we must have columns. For the table columns, first we create the row for the header part with tr tag that have opening and closing. After creating row, inside of tr, we create another tag named td that that specifies columns of the table. You can have columns as many as you want. I use the VS Code shortcut and create 3 TD. It means that I have 3 columns in my table. In the TD tags, you can write text that you want to show for your table. Your table header is shown by these values. After finishing the thead part or header part of your table, we're going to test what we write until now. And when we go to the browser, we see the table format of text. Until now, we don't have any borders around of our table, uh, but we specify the border soon for it. So we go back to our code and go for we go for working with body of the table. As you know, body of table, the main part of our table that specifies with the t-body tag. T-body means table body. Inside of the t-body tag, like the t-head, we must create a tr for table row. We can create as many as we want, and inside of tr, like the previous, we must declare columns. It's better to uh, define columns equal to header columns for being beautiful. It means that if you have three columns in the header of your table, it's better to have three columns in the your body too. You can give any value that you want to have. So let's check what we do until now. As you've seen, the table format is created. Now, uh, for giving a style to our table and drawing a border around of our table, we must declare a style file. I named it style.css and connect it to our HTML file. In the role of the link, we write style sheet, and in the source, we write the name of the file. Also, we go back to our style file and write some style, for example, for TD. We create a border for 1 pixel and solid and with a black color. What does happen here? So I set the color wrong. It's white. It should be black. As you see, now we have border around our table. You can customize the border as as you want. I'll give you some padding too for having some spaces around our items. I think 9 pixel is enough. Yes, it's good. So it's enough for today. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe our channel, subscribe our channel. See you soon.